Good evening, folks. This is Doc Severson for the ReadySetCrypto OMNIA trade of the day for Monday, the 12th of July. Okay, here's Bitcoin versus the US dollar on the daily chart, and down we go again. So we'll look at this in just a little bit more detail, but right now we have a couple of conflicting studies. So first of all, MACD, moving average convergence divergence, is showing a positive divergence. So the former downtrend has really petered out. It has moved range expansion to range contraction, but the down moves seem to be, every down move seems to get reversed back up to the upside. So there is some support down here. There is a bunch of bids sitting down there below 30,000, which is absorbing the supply. And as long as that beats the supply, then that support level will hold. But it doesn't seem like anybody's doing any follow-up buying once the price is getting into the mid 30s and beyond. That's how you have to squeeze the shorts and get that toxic mess to move to the upside instead of currently what we're seeing right now. Now, the other side of the coin, and this is actually more powerful than that positive divergence, is the weekly trend still moving to the downside. So we've talked at length about if the price does undercut 30,000 and closes there on a daily basis below 30,000, it's probably heading to 20,000. And we've looked at that a number of ways through volume profile and just about every other study. Now, just looking at the energy level, this move to the downside was almost an exhaustion on the weekly chart, but it's built back up again. So it's just about ready to go. The daily chart is showing an amazing amount of energy. So this is like a pot which is just about boiling and is just about to blow its lid off. We're going to get some movement here very soon. Now going down to the 5-hour chart, and we don't need the RSI in there. We'll just throw it on the price action. You can see this little kind of choppy downtrend here. So right now our decision box is 32,000 on the downside, 35,000 on the upside, actually a little bit below there, about 34,600. There we go. 34,600 versus 32,000. So the way I'm doing that, draw a box around this price here, and a break above here is going to be positive. It's got to do it on big volume though. And if this breaks below 32,000, then we're probably heading for 30,000 again. And this just is going along with this bigger descending triangle pattern. All right, here's Ethereum. It's showing exactly the same thing. Now, what's interesting here is that the price has come back down to the 200-day moving average and right at 2,000. Now, we already talked about 1,800 is kind of like the magic level here. But 2,000, if it's able to hold support at that round number support level as well as 200, that would be a good sign. Breaking above 2,200 would be positive as long as it therefore goes on and breaks above 2,400. Everything else is showing red today. So red day in crypto. One more time, we're going for the support test. That's it for today's report. Thanks for listening. See you tomorrow.